Hello children, Sai Ram. Welcome to online computer class. Children, today we are going to continue our previous chapter, that is logo commands. Okay. Okay children, today we are going to learn in this chapter about print command, then how to calculation in logo. After that, print command with mathematical functions and print with logical operators. Okay, so let's start children. Okay children, now what is print command? Children, in last class we already saw about learn about how to draw shapes in a logo with the help of command. Okay, now today we are going to learn print command. See, what is the difference between print command and shapes? Shapes, you can draw a shapes, and print means print means letters, numbers, word or sentence on the print that word or sentence on the screen. Okay, so let's start with print commands. So children, print is a very important primitive to display letters, numbers, word or sentence on the screen. Okay. Uh, you can you can also use the same print command for doing calculation. Okay. With the help of this print command, you can do both the things. Means type a letter, words, numbers or a sentence and do the calculations also. Then the print primitive display the output in a recall list box. See, when you type letter or numbers or a word, the output will be shown in a recall list box, not that command window box. The output will be shown in a recall list box. Okay. The short form for print is PR. When you type now, we have to write first print. So in that time you can write print or write PR command. So this command takes only one input at a time. The print command only take one input at a time. Means you can't write so many things in a one stage. You have to write first print, then write the number, then enter, and then again you have to write print and then write a word like that. Okay. So children, let's see practically how it's work. Okay. In the print command, the first is printing a letter. How to print a letter? There are some steps that we have to follow. First, to display a letter, type the print command, leave one space, put quotation marks and then type a letter. Okay, then press enter key. The letter will display in a recall list box. Okay. Similarly, you can print a word also. So for that, let's see practically how it works. For that, you have to open first logo command, logo window. Okay. See, this is our logo commander window. In logo commander window, you have to type in a input box here. You can see the cursor. See right here, print, then give space, put a quotation mark like this, type any letter and enter. See, you can see here, print space quotation marks, write any letter and press enter key. Like this you have to print a letter. Okay children, now the next is printing a sentence. Now we have to print the sentence. Print primitive help us to display any message on the screen. Okay, for that you have to type PR, press spacebar key and type the text in a bracket. You have to print the sentence. For that you have to write that text in a square bracket. Okay, and you can also display any message using underscore in between the word and enclosing them in a double quotes. Okay, so let's see practically, student, how to write a sentence. Okay, same, you have to open logo window. In a commander window, here again you have to write. Now we are here, type PR. It's a short form of print command. Okay, write PR space square bracket, then write any sentence. I love my school. Close the bracket and enter. See, the sentence is here, I love my school. Okay, the same way you can write, display any message with the underscore like PR, then take a double quotation, write sentence I underscore love underscore my underscore school. And close the double quotation and enter. See here, I love my school. Like this you can print the sentence. Understand children? Okay, next command is print first. Print first means this primitive is used to display the first character of a word or a first word of a sentence. Means first whatever number in a position of that first position, that word or a sentence, word or a alphabet will be print. For that you have to write that sentence in a square bracket. Okay, so let's see practically how it works. Again here write print, but for that you have to write here print space first because we want first letter. So write print first, then bracket, then write a sentence. I write here God is great. Now you can see here. See, God. The God is the first word here. It's show here like this. Okay. The same way, if you want to print only a word, only a letter, like this, print first, then give in a quotation marks. I write here name, Riddhima. And you don't want to close here quotation marks. See, press enter, then it show here R, the first letter. Like this, you can use this for print first command. Okay, understand children? Okay children, now we are going to understand calculation in Logo. Children, Logo can also be used as a calculator. The print command is used to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division using the operators. Operators means like plus, minus, star, hash respectively. Okay, for that there is some rules. What is that rules? After typing print command, leave one space and then type the numbers. All the arithmetic operator takes 2 inputs, right? Here we have to take a 2 inputs. Without 2 inputs, we can't calculate any numbers. Okay. Understand, children? Okay. Children, so here the first calculation is addition. For addition, to add 2 numbers, we will use plus sign, right? And write the primitive. For example, print space 6 plus 9. What is the answer? 15. Will be displayed on the next line as on your output screen, right? So let's see practically. Here input box, write print. You can see here, write print space, then write number 6 plus 9 and press enter key. You can see the sum here. Addition. See 6 plus 9, 15. Understand? Okay, children. Okay, children. Next mathematical operator is subtraction. To subtract the number, we use print primitive and minus sign. Okay, let's see practically. Here, write print, type any number, like 15 minus 13 and enter. See, the answer is 2. Like this. Understand, children? Okay, next is a using addition and subtraction. Means you can do both the function in a same print command. Like using print primitive, we can do both addition and subtraction. Let's see practically. Here you can type first print, then take a number 12 plus 5 minus 10. Press enter. See, the answer is 7. Like this, you can do both addition and subtraction. Understand, children? Likewise, you can do multiplication and divisions with the help of this print command. Okay? Now, children, we are going to learn print command with mathematical function. Earlier we learned calculation in Logo. Now we are going to learn print command with mathematical function. Means beside basic arithmetic operator, we can also work with mathematical function in Logo and make our work easy. So what is the function? Let's see. Here the first is print sum. Print sum means this function is used to add 2 or more number and display the result, right? Then instead of giving plus sign, when we do the calculation, that time we have to take the addition. In that time we add plus sign in between the numbers to add. Here you have to type print space sum, S-U-M, sum, followed by two numbers. Okay. A space should be given between the numbers to add more. If you want to add more numbers, in that time you have to give this space should be given between the numbers and add more than two numbers, the operator sum, and the number have written in a round brackets. Brackets means parenthesis. Let's see practically, then you can understand, children. Here first write print space, write sum. I want to make the sum of two numbers. So 23 and 8. Just press enter. You can see the result. Now, okay, now I want the sum of more numbers. For that, print sum. That sum you have to take in a bracket. Sum, then write a number. See here I take more than two number and then press enter key. See the result? Like this you can use print sum command. Okay, understand, children? Okay, the next mathematical function is difference. What is difference? Difference means this function is used to subtract two numbers. Instead of giving minus sign between two numbers, we type print difference. We have to write print space different followed by two numbers with a space between them. Let's see practically. Here write print space difference, like this, and write the number. See, difference means minus, so 45 minus 5, the answer is 40. Like this. Like this you can calculate product, remainder and questions also. Okay? Okay, children, the next is our print with logical operators. Now children, here logical operator means logo can work with many operators to perform this logical operation. Means a set of special symbol are used like equals to, greater than equals to, less than equals to, like this. So here the first operator is equals to command. So this command compare two numbers. The result of comparison is either true or false. Means when we use this equals to command, the result is come to like true or false. The second is greater than. Greater than means this command compare two numbers. If the number of the left side of the operator is greater than the number of right side, the logo display the result is true, or otherwise the result will be displayed as a false. Then less than. Less than, this operator means this command compare two number again. If the number on the left side of the operator is less than the number of the right side, the logo will display the result as a true. Otherwise, the result will display as a false. So, children, let's see practically how it's work. Okay. Okay, let's see practically. Here, write print. First we have see here equals to command. For that, print 12 equals to 12. What is the answer? True, because both the value are same. That's why its answer should be true. Then next is a greater than. Print 16 greater than 15. What is the answer? Again true, because 16 is greater than 15. Then less than. Print less than. Print the number less than 15 less than 12. What is the answer? False. Right? Like this, you can use this operator. Okay, so this is a logical operator. Understand, children? Okay, children, here our chapter is over now. I hope you understand this chapter. Please, children, download Logo software in your computer, okay, and practice it. Okay, so thank you, and once again, Sai Ram.